myself Divya Jog and welcome to Credence Digital Learning. So, in this video, we are going to discuss the possibilities that leads to the generation of new species or organisms. Before discussing all the possibilities, you need to understand what are species and does all the organisms belong to same species or not. So, species can be defined as a group or a population of an organism consisting of similar individuals in which they can breed together and then they can produce a fertile organism in their progeny. So, now all these organisms that breed together which have the same characteristics or same traits are said to be in same species. Like in previous videos, we have discussed the example of beetles. So, the beetles we previously got were red in color. Due to some natural selection, environmental conditions, some variations occurs in their F1 generation. That the beetles we got in F1 generation was green in color. Now, this change in color does not define that this green color beetle does not belong to the same species. It can belong to the same species as there is only a difference in their color. So, these green color beetles, they can still reproduce with the red color beetles and leads to the formation of the same species. So, here was not only any new formation of new species, but there was only a small variation or a small change in the same species itself. So, you can imagine of a scenario, there are many range of mountains and beetle population is not confined to the same area. That means these beetles, they are spread to all over the mountains. Now this whole mountain ranges contains the plenty number of bushes so that they can provide plenty of food for these beetles. Now let us consider कि किसी वजह से किसी सिचुएशन से ये दो माउंटेन्स एक दूसरे से अलग हो जाते हैं, आइसोलेट हो जाते हैं एंड ये दोनों माउंटेन रेंजेस एक दूसरे से दूर हो जाएंगे. तो तब क्या होता है कि the beetles present on one mountain cannot meet with the beetles present on the other range of mountains. यहाँ पर जो कंडीशन क्रिएट होती है वो ये है कि एक फर्स्ट माउंटेन पे जो बीटल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं वो किसी भी कंडीशन में दूसरे माउंटेन के बीटल्स के साथ ब्रीड नहीं कर सकेंगे. Now, the beetles interaction with the another mountain is completely prohibited here, and the beetles, they will completely react with the beetles present on the same mountain. Now, अब यहाँ